My name is Elliott. I'm a senior here at UCA. And right now we're going to demonstrate the yoga poses, the bridge and also the tree.
And these are helping Will's both arms and legs as he brings his feet back under his knees, pushing up that way, hands right down from the shoulders. Really a good balancing position. All right. Now we would do this on both sides. If we're doing it for a regular workout, we're showing you one side now. That's very good. Now the other foot. Sometimes we can balance better on one leg than the other too. Breathing again is crucial to keep your balance. Now we're going to come over here and see what some squats look like on this set of weights. That's excellent.